Clients come to me sometimes and unfortunately a family member has passed away and their property was not in a trust. In those circumstances, we would need to do a probate sale, which I've done many probate transactions before and I'm happy to help. But we always need a real estate attorney in these situations. I have Catherine here today to tell us about how a probate sale is going to work and what you would need to do.
So after somebody passes away, if they don't have a trust, a petition for probate needs to be filed with the courts. It's essentially a lawsuit and it includes all of the information about who died, who their heirs are, and what they owned. And it also gives notices to creditors. In addition to that, it's very public. All of their assets, everything is listed with the dollar amount, including bank accounts and investments.
Can you tell us exactly how it would work after that? Like, how would the sale work? What would be different about the sale compared to a normal transaction?
Okay, so after that time, a real estate broker such as Christina is engaged to list the property for sale so that she could list the property, and things are held relatively normal at that point of having open houses, accepting offers, everything to that effect. But then you have to publish in the newspaper in order to inform the public that this probate is going on and that there's a sale of a real estate.
How long does it take to have the judge confirm the sale?
So if you have an attorney that knows all of the ins and outs, they can appear in court even the next day after a tentatively accepted offer. But if you go on a normal basis, it could take a few months.
Okay, and that's why we need Catherine, a real estate attorney, to help us throughout the transaction so that we can get in front of a judge. And then also something to know is that when you go in front of the judge, somebody can show up and offer to buy on the property.
Exactly. So somebody can come in, they're called an overbidder, and they can bid over the tentatively accepted offer.
Do you see that very often?
Sometimes properties are sought after, but usually people do not show up.
Okay, so usually the judge would sign off, we'd be able to close escrow.
So if you have a probate sale,
call us.